Hi everyone, let me show you how to set up Face Unlock on the Samsung Galaxy S20 FE. So let's go to Settings and scroll down to Security and Privacy. Tab here, and here we need to find the option which name is Biometrics. And here we are, Face Recognition. Let's go there, and you need to enter your lock screen security code, whether it's PIN, password or pattern, and then tap continue and start scanning your face. Now the system instantly takes you to the face recognition menu. You can remove your face data, you can add an alternative appearance to enhance recognition, for example if you sometimes wear glasses. Also you can enable or disable face unlock. And this is very useful option. Stay on lock screen until swipe, because sometimes you take your phone out of the pocket just to see if you have some notifications and you don't need an instant unlock. So I recommend you to turn this feature on. Require open eyes to avoid somebody unlock your phone while you're sleeping, I don't know. And brighten the screen in the darkness to increase your chance to be recognized in the dark environment. And I think that's it about face recognition on this smartphone. I hope this video was helpful. Subscribe our channel and thanks for watching.